Hi everyone, today we're gonna disassemble a Saeco Minuto coffee machine in order to replace the water pump. So I just wanted to show you how you disassemble step by step. So let's get to it. So first things first, you want to remove this piece. Then you remove the front completely. Then we have our water reservoir. Your machine may have this clip here that you have to lift and remove, but mine does not have that, so I just remove it as is. Then we take the water container out, and then here we open the door and take the brew unit, put that away. Now what we need to do is we need to pry this plastic piece out, because there is a screw that's holding this to the machine. We have to remove that. Here you go, got it out. And then we have a torque 10 screw. Now we have to lift this piece, get it open. You've got one screw on top. Then we need to remove this lever. Both sides. Then we need to remove this piece, and then we need to take these little things out. One. And the second one. And we're ready to take the piece off. Then we're taking this screw and removing the bottom piece. Then you have two screws on the bottom that you have to remove. These are holding the frame, and then there's one more in the middle that you have to remove too. So total of 4 screws. Then you may have the finger protector here that you want to unscrew. Once that is done, because this coffee machine is missing that, once that is done, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to remove. Be careful not to drop them inside the grinder. After that, our top can be lifted up and removed. Be careful because it is attached to this tube that's for the water. We have the reed sensor for the beam cover, and there's another wire that's attached to it. So what I'm doing it, I don't disconnect anything. I'm just gonna leave it hanging like so. So we need to remove this door. You just lift it up and it comes off the hinges. The really fun thing about this machine is that this side cannot be removed. It's all one frame. So in order to get to the pump, the whole inside part comes out. Also, you might have a screw here that we don't have. And now it's time to show you how to take the whole inside of the machine out. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5 screws. After those screws are removed, our machine can be lifted. We take this frame out, and our machine is ready for service. The pump is on the other side. This is where our pump is. So now we have good access to it, and we're gonna be changing the pump. Alright, so what we're gonna do, gonna disconnect this piece. That's the water inlet to the pump. Got some water in it. This is the one that we're disconnecting, so we can take this one out too. And then we have to pry this out. These are our holders. The other one is here, but we have to lift the pump up and remove it. So on the bottom, just start lifting the pump. This is the piece that's gonna keep your pump stuck at the bottom. Alright, so we got the pump out. I am replacing it with a used pump that I have. So what I'm gonna do is try to hold this piece and unscrew this so I don't have to remove the hoses. And I'm just going to be twisting the pump until it completely gets out from the distribution piece. Okay, got that. Then just going to transfer this piece to my new pump that I'm replacing it with. Okay. I'm gonna take this white wire and the black one, So I'm taking the pump that I'm replacing it with. We'll have to put this on it as well. So it's gonna be like so. I'm gonna take pliers and tighten it more. Okay, this is our discharge pressure discharge hose. So we're gonna stick it back where it used to be, in that hole. And then we're gonna put one holder in place. Got that. Then the second one. Actually, before we do the second one, I'd rather stick my hose back there. Okay. And we're gonna put our wires. Again, same way. Right, so our pump is replaced. Now we just have to assemble everything back. And obviously, you do it the same way backwards. Please let me know in the comment section what issues you experience with your Saeco Minuto coffee machine. In this case, I replaced it with this pump because this pump, even though it was working, it couldn't push the water through the brew unit on the other side, so it wasn't strong enough. That's why we put the new pump. Please like the video, I'll really appreciate that. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.